Acieta, oftentimes we get a project and we get it from the sales team as a project manager. Our operations team then takes it from there. And typically we do the engineering, the programming, the building, and we kind of own that whole process from there. We have meetings with the customer and make sure we're all on the same page. This project is a little bit different in that we collaborated with the customer on it, and they are doing the programming, and they've been much more involved in that way, which is really great. And we love doing different things like that. We've also had some where customers will do some of the engineering design, some of the build. It's fun to switch it up and kind of get more involved with the customer, and we get to hang out with them more here on our floor. So it's fun to do something different, and we love when we get the chance to do that.
This is not my first time working with Acieta, and Acieta has always been a very collaborative team playing, kind of family. It's super exciting to be able to bring our folks on site and work alongside with the Acieta folks and be able to accomplish great things.
This is my first time in Acieta. I know that a couple of guys have been here prior, but looking at the work that Acieta does here is very outstanding. Being here when it's set up and then before we bring it back is very helpful in the sense that we are able to kind of visualize what it will look like once we get it and visualize the capacity that it can run. Actually being here on the floor with them is great. Not a lot of people do that. They just kind of say oh, you guys can figure it out. But having that support from Acieta is really great, for sure.
Finding the right integrator is crucial, and what you really need to find is a partner. If you don't have that partner and the people that you can interface with and know who the people are that you're interfacing with, then I feel you're going to struggle. And so the partnership that we have here with Acieta has been really great.
There are a few things that set Acieta apart from other integrators. All of our projects have a dedicated PM that is assigned to that project, and we take over once it's sold, and we are there for the customer every step of the way. We also are big enough that we have the knowledge and the skills to do fun new things for customers, but small enough that we're still a little family, and we are there to partner with the customer and go alongside them from beginning to end.
No, honestly, I've been blown away by the personnel here at Acieta, taking me through the shop and just showing their level of detail and skill. I think, holistically, it's been a great opportunity for me and our sales team to even get more insights to integration, stuff that we don't typically see from a sales perspective day to day. But seeing it day to day from kind of development to actual physical seeing the machine here is kind of breathtaking and a good opportunity for us to kind of expand our horizons knowledge base.
So with this project and with the customer doing some of the programming, our team still sets it up. We set up the safety, we have the PLC programmed. So there's a lot of things that we set up ahead of time or with the customer to make sure it's ready for them and it is able to do what they need it to, so that they can program for their parts and focus on what's important to them.
I think, doing programming on site at Acieta here, we're able to work out any bugs or kinks before we're able to get it into our own facility. If there's any problems that we need to solve with integration or things like that, it's much easier to solve here than it is as you're installing it into your own facility.
The success of our customers is the success of us. So we really care. And we have a 24/7 support line that they can call and our service team can help. And then if they need anything answered from the operations team, the people that worked on the project, they can call us and get us involved. We make sure that going forward, we're there when they need it.
We built tanks that we would build back at home to make sure that they run as they should. And so far, everything's been going so well.
It's been really great to work with Acieta on this project here. A lot of collaboration, a lot of good things going on, and we'll continue to move forward.